Hi, folks. Welcome to our very last week of SOC 101. This is probably the last lecture video that I will be recording for you. I guess it is the last one. And so I just wanted to take a moment to thank you for a great semester and a great late start class with you all. I've really enjoyed working with you. I've gotten to know some of you better than others, but it's been nice to keep in touch. So why don't you go ahead and grab your lecture quizzes and we will get started. So your first question on the lecture quiz is about the exam. The final exam is this week. It opens at noon on Wednesday and it closes at 11:59 p.m. on Friday of this week, our 8th week of the semester. Um, you will have 60 minutes to take the exam once you've begun, and you must finish it all in one sitting. This exam will be a lot like the midterm, although I think there might be a few more questions on it, but very similar, all multiple choice. And there has been a study guide posted for the final exam since the 5th week of class, and it's still there in modules. So make sure that if you haven't been doing so, that you use it to help you guide your studying and your reading. I wanted to take a few minutes to talk about this week's assignment. This week we only have two assignments. There's the lecture quiz, which you're working on now, and then there is an assignment which I call an extended response journal. This is a journal that is about 3 times longer than the other journals that we have in the class. And because this assignment takes the place of a discussion board and a journal, it is worth 20 points. You can earn maximum credit by citing the textbook and using proper citation format for doing so, and that can be either in APA or MLA format. So be sure to take a look at that, and it is due on Friday as well, which is our last day of class. All assignments in SOC 101 must be completed by our last day of class, which is Friday, by 11:59 p.m. No work, including the final exam, will be accepted after this time. I will begin grading first thing Saturday morning, so I won't be able to accept any work after the deadline of Friday at 11:59 p.m. If you have missing assignments, you can go ahead and turn them in now. The only assignments that I don't accept late are discussion board assignments. But if you have journal assignments or even lecture quizzes, I will accept those until Friday with a 10% deduction for turning them in late. Okay, so that's it. We actually have three more videos today, so 4 total. So get ready for those and to continue your lecture quiz. And thanks again for a great semester.